So I think it's another place here we can go. Huh? Nothing, huh? Just
Yeah, it's there. There's the other hangar there behind you. See there?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Right.
Let's go somewhere.
Okay. Alright, I'll meet you there, hon.
Okay.
So, gonna go there again. Not again, but it's a different plane. Here we go. Wow. Look at this. It's a big plane. Wow. Ayan. Ayun, isang tao lang ang pwedeng sumakay dyan noon. Ito yung mga plane. It's amazing. Very interesting. Yan yung mga plane. So, ayan. Isang tao lang pwedeng sumakay dyan nang siya ay lumalaban. Tapos ito yung ano niya, makina niya. Ayan. Yung mga makina, yung mga sasakyan na aeroplano o plane, not aeroplano, just a plane. And yan yung number niya. Pero syempre, wala na rin siya.